Okay, so the first one, number 45, it says measure of angle JKM. So to identify that angle, you would just connect the dots, JKM, so it's talking about the whole thing. To find the whole thing, you would add 15 plus 28, and what did that equal?
14.
What is it? 43? Awesome. 43 degrees. Okay, then for 46, this was the segment addition postulate from the beginning of the year, and it wants to know the length of AB. So to find that missing length, you would just do 10 minus 7 equals 3, and it's easy as that. AB equals 3. Okay, next, okay, on the other page, we are doing 50. This is what we saw on Friday. It says J and L are points of tangency. Find the value of x. So if these are both tangent lines at the same point right here, then this is equal to this, and you can set it equal to each other and solve for x. So on your paper, I'm sure you did this. And x equals 7. Okay, and then 51, it says find the horizontal distance covered by the steps of the escalator. So horizontal is like this. You have to think of the horizon. You think of the sun on a horizon, a horizontal line's like this. So the horizontal distance right here would be from here to here. So that's our x. And we can use trigonometry to solve for that distance. We have our angle here, and then we have the hypotenuse and adjacent side. Using SOHCAHTOA, adjacent and the hypotenuse, we're going to use cosine. So cosine of 41 equals x over 26. And then to solve this, multiply both sides by 26. Cosine of 41 equals x. And did anybody solve for it? I don't have the answer off the top of my head. 26 cosine 41 is 19.6. Of course, just make sure that's logical. It should be shorter than the hypotenuse, of course. And that's the answer. Then we have 52. It shows an angle bisector here in this triangle. And when you have an angle bisector, there's proportionality here. So we can do 9 over 3 equals x over 4 and solve for x. You could have done 9 over x equals 3 over 4. That would be fine, and it would come out to the correct answer. Okay, moving down this way. Find the length of the mid-segment of the trapezoid. So the mid-segment right here of the trapezoid is the average of these two numbers. It's the middle. You could look at those two numbers and say, okay, the middle's 20. The other way to do it would be to add those two numbers and divide by 2, and you would get 40 over 2, which does equal 20. And that's it for the Bellwork.